Today we are going to talk about the headphone tester, which is currently developed by Thai engineering department. We understand that some airlines produce reusable headphones, around 25,000 units for daily flights. Thai Airways has the infrastructure to collect, refurbish, and reuse the headphone, and the overall cost per use is reduced each time. This allows a better quality model to be used with good speaker elements, which in turn provides better sound quality to the passengers. By doing that, some airlines have to do a big job for testing, cleaning and repacking the headphone with a plastic bag for another set passengers for the next flight. For us, the prototype of the headphone tester is currently used for testing. The prototype of the headphone tester is currently designed using microprocessor that can test every type of headphone and meet the varying needs of different airlines. This is a guide to learning more about testing. Impedance testing, often used as a specification, measured in ohms, for headphones. Impedance describes how much resistance the headphone gives to the signal from the audio source. For testing, we can run a program that will calculate the resistance from Ohm's law. Speaker testing. Speaker test is a comprehensive test solution with a unique and reliable defects analysis to check your loudspeakers, and the tones are played in the following speaker order, left and right. Short and open circuit testing. Once the headphone plug is inserted into the remote jack unit, the headphone tester can detect whether there is short circuit or open circuit. The headphone tester is electrically powered by the external power USB. Start up. The headphone test will be shown on the LCD. Once the headphone plug is inserted into the remote jack unit, the tester will start testing, and the generated tones are played in the following speaker order, left and right. Within a few seconds, the headphone can be tested, covering many test cases. The test result come back showing on LCD. The number of test results can be gathered and stored in the headphone tester in real time. As option, the test results can be automatically uploaded into Excel file, and also they can be shared and sent automatically via email. The headphone tester is a simple and compact, and with a small built-in LCD display to test the reusable headphones. We have worked closely with the airlines. According to them, this is only tester that satisfies the test within 3 seconds per one headphone. Use this tester to make your life easier and help you work more efficiently.